Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. As you guys see, I'm starting to prep dinner. I actually just woke up from my nap, so I'm feeling really restful and rejuvenated. So I cleaned up my kitchen and now I am starting my dinner, which is baked chicken wings, some macaroni and cheese, and some kale. After that, I plan on getting into some house stuff. I got a couple of house updates, and then Mike is also gonna help me like do some items around the house. I actually need to finish Parker's room. I have not been able to finish that. It's been a very hectic few weeks with Parker and football. We just been super busy. Work is just super busy in itself. So I just haven't had the time to really buckle down and finish this room. So hopefully I can do some more of that in this video and then show you guys some other house updates. So stay tuned. Alright, so I just finished this curtain right here and compare it to this one right here that's not yet steamed. I think that steamer is pretty good and it's pretty fast. So I'm about to get busy on doing this side right here, and then I'll show you how it looks at the end of that. Alright, so I just finished steaming my curtains. I think they look really great. I'm actually really impressed with that Conair steamer I got from Target. It steamed the curtains really quick. The only drawback from that is the tank is small, like the water tank is small. So in about 5 to 7 minutes or so, the steam ran out. But other than that, I think it did a really good job. I'm impressed. And now I gotta steam the other 858 curtains I have around this house, so wish me luck. Just getting back from the store. I went to Home Goods like you guys seen, and I also went to Target really quick to get a couple of items. So I want to do a mini haul to show you guys what I got. So the first item I got is from my pantry. I'm organizing my pantry, so I'm just trying to get the things together for that. And I bought this coffee holder, and I also got two other ones, one for flour and one for sugar as well. So one is for flour. Let me show you guys closer. So one is for flour, then I also got one for sugar. I thought that would look really cute in my pantry. I'm going to be doing a pantry organization soon as I get some more holders, like for my pasta, things like that, some containers I want to get prior to me like rolling out my pantry organization video. But these are 3 items that I did pick up today from HomeGoods for that. All right, moving on along. Like I said, I did go to Target and I only picked up a few items. And this is also for like my coffee area. I picked up 2 of these drawer organizers for my coffee pods. I'm gonna put both of them side by side next together in the drawer for my coffee pods. And then I also got this little tray. I was hoping to find like a wooden bamboo tray, but they didn't have anything like small like this for my sugar in my drawer. So I'm gonna put these next to each other and then put this at the bottom of it in my drawer to hopefully make my coffee area a little bit more organized. So these both were $7 at Target, and then this clear container was $4. And the last item I picked up at Target is this ceramic bowl that I use for like my salads. I think it's really cute. I love how it looks. It's simple. It's actually $4 at Target. I already have 5 of these, so I wanted to get 6 just to complete like my table setting of them. So I picked this up today from Target. So that actually was all the items I picked up today from Target and HomeGoods. So I'm about to start doing some other stuff around my house. I got the screws for Parker's desk, so I'm about to do that. And then I'm also probably gonna be hanging up some stuff in his room. So you're gonna get like a little peek of that as well. All right, let's go. All right, I just got out of the shower. I'm about to blow dry this hair so that I can flat iron it. We got some parties to go to tonight. It is the day before Halloween, so I'm trying to get myself together so that I won't be rushing in the evening like I always do. So I'm about to blow dry my hair first. Alright, so I just finished blow drying my hair and now I'm about to start flat ironing it. So I am going to be using the H2 Pro Silk Styling Flat Iron that I got from my local beauty supply store. And I'm also going to put a little bit of this heat protectant on it before I start. And I mean like a little bit. I don't like my hair being too oily when I do it. I like it to be able to flow, so I'm only gonna put a little bit on there. And then some of my ends too, and around my edges. So I am about to get started. Alright, so I am done my hair. I'm just combing through it right now. So of course I am going to wrap this bad boy up so it can lay down a little bit more. But it is done and I need to do my eyebrows now. And this is what I mean by, like, I don't like to put a lot of products in my hair because I want it to be able to freely move like this. But yeah, once I lay it down, it'll be like these flyaways and stuff like that will calm down once I put my scarf on for a couple of hours. So next is my eyebrows. I'm about to do my eyebrows really quick, and then I'll start doing my makeup for my Halloween outfit. It's gonna be simple makeup, just as you guys know, I'm just gonna be a schoolgirl, so it's nothing, you know, dramatic that I have to do. I'm just gonna do a normal face and I'm gonna do a rear lip. All right, so here is the outfit. I am a nerd and Mike is a ghetto priest. Alright guys, so this is the final look. We about to go have fun. Happy Halloween. Alright guys, good morning. Today is the day after Halloween. Hopefully you guys liked my costume. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably seen the shenanigans we got into. It was a lot of fun. If you don't, definitely follow me on Instagram. Today, I'm back at it again in Parker's room. I'm about to put together his desk, and then I'll probably lay out the decor that I did get for his room. It's still some items I have to get, but I'm just trying to roll it out and clean up what I can, and then see what else I have left to get for his room. So I'm about to get started on that. Alright, so the desk is complete. I love it. Here we are. Just showing you guys a good angle of it. So of course the tabletop is gray, and then the legs are this navy blue and this white. I chose to make the legs two different colors just to make it fun for Parker. Since he's young, I want this room to be very playful and fun. So I thought that was really cute. And I'm about to undo this chair right here that I got from Target, which he'll just use for his desk. His desk won't have a computer on it, at least not right now. He's still really young. It's just geared towards him doing his schoolwork and things of that nature right there. Okay, so I found a basket that I think I want to use on Parker's desk, like just to hang it up right on top of it to hold like his books, his folders, maybe his iPad, things of that nature. And I think it would be really cute because it is the same color as his legs. So I'm about to show you guys that, and then I'm gonna hang it on the wall. So here is the basket right here. And Parker used to have this in his old bedroom, and I thought like this would be perfect. Like it matches this blue, and I want to hang it up about right here so he can hang, you know, his folders, his notebooks, anything he's using for like his homework or arts and crafts, things like that. I think that would be really cute on top of his desk and still go with like his sports theme room. Alright, so I'm done hanging up the wall basket right here on Parker's desk. I think it looks really cute, and I wanted to make it lower because, you know, he is still small and I want him to be able to reach it and get stuff or put stuff in his basket as he pleases. But I really like that together. And I think I'm going to get like some jars to put his crayons, color pencils, things like that to sit on top of his desk. But for the most part, it's just going to be a clear work area for his homework. And like I said, he'll store his folders or his composition notebooks in there, and or his iPad. Alright, so I just worked on hanging these football holders up. So I hung them up on his wall. I have to get another football for that one. I think that will be good to go. Originally I was gonna do 3, but I think that I'm just gonna leave it at 2. So I'm about to just finish playing with his room and continuing to try to roll out the things that I do have already. I'm not going to be finished today in this video because, like I said, I'm still looking for a rug and some other decor items. But like always, there will be another update to his room until it's finally complete. But until then, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you on my next one. Bye.